Welcome back to our channel. Building a career in any field takes hard work and time, and cybersecurity is no exception. It's a career in demand. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. Let's proceed to the next question in this series, and if you haven't watched the previous chapters, make sure to check them out. What is the purpose of security hardening? A. To make security measures more flexible. B. To decrease network performance. C. To strengthen security defenses by eliminating unnecessary services and configurations. D. To increase vulnerability to cyber attacks. Correct answer. C. To strengthen security defenses by eliminating unnecessary services and configurations. Which of the following is not considered a best practice for securing mobile devices? A. Enabling automatic software updates. B. Disabling device encryption. C. Using a PIN or password for device authentication. D. Installing antivirus software. Correct answer. B. Disabling device encryption. What is the purpose of security monitoring? A. To slow down network traffic. B. To block access to external websites. C. To detect and respond to security incidents in real time. D. To increase network speed. Correct answer. C. To detect and respond to security incidents in real time. What does the term endpoint security refer to? A. Securing the physical location of a network. B. Securing devices such as computers, smartphones, and tablets that connect to a network. C. Securing network cables and connectors. D. Securing network servers. Correct answer. B. Securing devices such as computers, smartphones, and tablets that connect to a network. Please pause, take a moment to assimilate or go back if needed. Do you remember the saying, "Practice makes a man perfect"? Your success depends upon how much you learn. Which type of attack involves an attacker sending fraudulent emails to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information? A. Phishing. B. Spoofing. C. Man in the middle. D. Denial of service, DOS. Correct answer. A. Phishing. What is the purpose of a security incident response plan? A. To ignore security incidents. B. To identify and mitigate security incidents in a timely manner. C. To delay reporting security incidents to authorities. D. To create more security vulnerabilities. Correct answer. B. To identify and mitigate security incidents in a timely manner. Which security principle states that users should only have access to the resources and information necessary to perform their job duties? A. Least privilege. B. Defense in depth. C. Principle of least authority. D. Separation of duties. Correct answer. A. Least privilege. What is the purpose of data loss prevention, DLP, software? A. To intentionally delete data. B. To prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. C. To slow down network performance. D. To increase vulnerability to cyber attacks. Correct answer. B. To prevent unauthorized access to sensitive data. Which of the following is a characteristic of a strong password? A. Short length. B. Use of common dictionary words. C. Lack of complexity. D. Combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Correct answer. D. Combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. What is the purpose of a security assessment? A. To encrypt network traffic. B. To evaluate and identify security vulnerabilities. C. To slow down network performance. D. To create strong passwords. Correct answer. B. To evaluate and identify security vulnerabilities. Thank you for watching. If you have not liked or subscribed, please do so now. It means a lot to us. Stay tuned to next topic on your journey to a demanding career in cybersecurity. Good luck.